Let me first give you the overview. This document outlines the goals, project requirements, architecture, and implementation details of an internship project based on full stack web development using the MERN stack. This project makes use of HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and also React.js, which is the framework that we have been using. Database used is MongoDB. Basic knowledge to be known is HTML, which is also known as Hypertext Markup Language. HTML is the standard markup language for creating web pages. It provides the structure and content of web pages using tags and elements, facilitating the organization and presentation of the text, image, and multimedia. Basically, what it is saying that hypertext markup language is used for the I can give an analogy that it is used as the skeleton for building the skeleton of the website. CSS on the other hand is used for styling the website. CSS is used for styling HTML elements, defining how they should appear on the screen. It enables web developers to control layout, colors, fonts, and other visual aspects of the web pages, enhancing their aesthetic appeal and user experience. Goals of the internship. The main goal of the internship was learning and exposure that we have been getting through these videos and projects. Learning, basically gaining practical experience in full stack web development by doing various projects. Skill development also. Enhanced proficiency in front end and back end technologies. Project experience. Contribute to a real world project. Understand the development life cycle. We have also been getting the project experience by building the Homely Hub website that we'll be talking about in the coming pages. Brief project requirements. The brief project requirements were that we have to develop a web application using the MERN stack, implement the CRUD operation that have been done by the teachers only, ensure responsive design for compatibility across devices. We have to ensure the website that we have made is very responsive. Like you can, it is very user friendly and it corresponds well to the device that the user has been using. And implement user authentication and authorization. We have included the login and logout and register functionality, which is what it is saying. Architecture and design. Front end. Utilizing React.js for the front end, ensuring a responsive or user-friendly interface. Backend, employing Node.js with Express.js for the server-side logic and API development. Database. We have used MongoDB as a database to store and manage application data and authentication, of course. Now I will be talking about the project Homely Hub. Homely Hub is basically an Airbnb website clone, and now we'll just know more about it. Homely Hub is a platform that lets people find and book unique places to stay while traveling. Whether it's a cozy home or a fancy villa or a room, you can experience a personalized stay. Hosts can also earn money by sharing their spaces, so explore the world with Homely Hub for a unique and comfy adventure. The Homely Hub project uses the MERN stack, which is MongoDB, Express, React, and Node.js, and it is designed to replicate the core functionalities of the Airbnb platform. The architecture comprises of MongoDB database to store property and user data, while Express.js handles server-side logic and API endpoints. React is employed for building the user interface, providing a dynamic and responsive experience for property listings and booking. Node.js serves as the runtime environment for server-side execution, ensuring seamless communication between the front and backend. The project follows a modular structure with components for user authentication, property search, and booking features. Redux is also integrated for efficient state management, enabling a smooth flow of data within the application. Additionally, the project employs RESTful API principles to facilitate communication between the client and server, ensuring a scalable, maintainable code base. Features: user authentication, allowing users to sign up, log in, manage their profile, update user profile and password. Search and filters. Implement a search feature with filters to enable users to easily find properties based on location, date, pricing, and amenity, enhancing the overall user experience. View listings. User can view detailed information about each accommodation, including photos, description, amenities, property listings. Also, allow property owners to list their accommodation, providing details such as images, description, amenities, and pricing, etc. Okay, booking system. We have to develop a booking system that allows users to select the desired state, view pricing, confirm reservation with real-time updates on availability and booking status. User profiles. Implementing user profiles where individual can manage their bookings, update personal information, track their property listing activity. We have also used payment integration to integrate a secure payment gateway to handle transaction. We have used Stripe, allowing users to make reservations and property owners to receive payments seamlessly. Responsive design. Ensuring a responsive design and visually appealing design that adapts to various devices, providing a consistent and user-friendly experience on both desktop and mobile platform. Lastly, conclusion. This internship projects provide an opportunity to gain hands-on experience in full-stack web development using the MERN stack. By fulfilling the project requirements and following the outlined architecture and design, interns can enhance their skill in both front-end and back-end development, as well as deployment and project management. Now we will be moving on to the project. So as you can see, here is the project Homely Hub. It has footer, which have footer components, and a header. Basically consists of the Homely Hub icon, which when clicked routes us back to the home page. Search destination, we have start date, end date. We have added that using ANTD library. Add guest and a search filter, search button and a filter button. So yeah, and here the various properties. As we hover on the property cards, you can see that it displays us some overview of the property details such as the name, location and the price per night. And now I will tell you about the search feature. I'll search Goa and it will display all the properties related to Goa. Yeah, here is the output. And clicking on the icon will route us back to the home page. And now I'll tell you about the filter section. We can filter the price range. A user can filter the price range according to the use, property type and room type, and the amenities which the user is looking for. I'll apply this filter only. Kitchen I'll select, apply filter, and these are the result. We'll go back to the home page. Now I'll first log out. Now let us go to the SRS suites, and now clicking on the property card will display the property details. It displays first the pictures. You can see all the pictures by clicking here. It showcases all the pictures, as you can see. It gives a description, what place it basically tells us about the amenities that it offers, and also the map and some extra info. As you can see, there is also a booking form on the property details, and we can book according to the user requirements. I'll select 7. All the previous dates are disabled, as you can see, because we cannot book for the dates that have been passed. Number of guests, I'll do 5. Full name, I'll do test. Number, I can give any number. And as I'll click on this button, since we have not logged in, it will route us back to the login page. Oh, with 3, sorry. Now this will route us back to the login page. Yeah, here is a login. Now I'll log in. Yeah, we have been logged in. Now I'll book 7, 8. Number of users 2. Full test. Number, any number. Now I'll book this it will, yeah, we have to write the card number for the payment to be done. I'll write any number according to the format, but expiry card I'll write any 30, I'll do CVV, I'll write any pay 250. Yeah, it has been booked. Here you can see these are my previous bookings, and it has been booked. My account only hub. You can see your bookings on the account when you click on this account icon. My account, my profile, my bookings. Yeah, here are these are my previous booking. This is just that we are booked now. Now I will show you more features of the my account. Yeah, so here we can edit profile. Yeah, I'll tester, sorry, I'll write that only 9898. I'll write 9801. Now as I click on this update, the user information will get updated. Profile updated successfully, and you can see that the user information has been updated. I can also change my password by here. Yeah, so as you can see, I was on the change password. I'll have to write my current password, and I'll have to write my new password. Two times, of course. Update. The password has been updated. Now I'll log in once again to check if the password has been updated. I'll log in. Yes, the password has been updated. Now we will explore more features of the my account feature. I can edit my profile, I can change my password, I can see my bookings that I have made, and there's also one more feature, my accommodations. We can add our own property that will display here. How we can do that? We can do that by my accommodation, clicking on this add new place. I'll write any title, property, not too creative, but let's TS value. We can paste any photos, copy email address, add. As you can see, we have to upload minimum of 5 images, but I'll upload the same image 5 times. Description, I'll write this is property type. We have these options. I'll do hotel because we are checking. Amenities, we can select an extra info, any. Right. Check-in time we can give. That's a bit too early. 30 I'll do. Checkout time we can give. Max is 3, price per night 23, and we'll save. Where is it showing? That's it. Refresh. Here is it. I just had to refresh it. You can see that. We'll search property. We'll search. Yeah, it was not showing. I think it was a glitch in the name. I'll write UP, which was the place that, and yeah, here it is, property. This is the thing that we have added: extra info, map, extra info, name, place of communities, and we can also put this place. This we can, yeah, we have seen all the features: my profile, my bookings, my accommodations, and we have also seen that logout. And what is left? I think that's it. Yeah, this was the project. I thank WebStack Academy for helping me build this project and for giving me this internship opportunity. I have learned many things. Yeah, we can also do forget password. That I have not shown. I will show that also. We can do that by, yeah, logout. I'll do forgot password. I'll do forget password. Enter email. I'll write test email, which is my username also. Send email. It shows email sent. Please check your inbox. I'll go to mail trap. I'll refresh quickly. Refresh. Here's the email. Let's see. Yeah, here's the email will come. That forgot a password, submit a patch request. We have to click on this button to redirect to us this page. I'll quickly make a new password. Set password. Password has been changed successfully. Yes. Now I log in to show that the password has been correctly being reset. No, it's wrong. So wait. What was the password I forgot? Oh no, I think I forgot the password. Wait. Yeah, I'll quickly write the new password. Yeah, we have been logged in with the new password. Yeah guys, so that was it. That was the project. Yeah, we have included mail trap for the forgot password functionality, slice for the payment functionality, and we have added search, start date, add guest filter, header, footer,